Hi, are you looking answer of some of your questions that why am I not having a good fluent English? Why I am continuously failing in it despite of trying for a lot of times. So stay tuned in this video and all your questions will be answered. The first thing that you need to ask yourself is having a good fluent English is your necessity or it's just your wish. Now I will tell you why you need to ask this question. See, there are a lot of people who want to have a good lifestyle, who want to have a good fit body, but they don't do any kind of exercise, they don't intake healthy food, and because of that they are not able to have a good fit body because it's just their wish, it's not important for them. And it's a human tendency that until and unless something is not important for us, we don't put our efforts in it. So you need to ask yourself that having a good fluent English is your necessity or it's just your wish. We are our best judge. We know what is important for us and what is not. So, if having a good fluent English is in your wish list and you want to shift it in your necessity list, then I have already made a video on that. You can check the link of that video in my description box. Now, once you have decided that having a good fluent English is in your necessity list, it's important for you, you will have some of the questions that how much exact amount of time is it going to take, and some days I feel like giving up. I don't feel that having a good fluent English is my cup of tea. So I just want to say you a very famous saying here that Rome was not built in a day. To be good in something, to learn something, patience, practice and consistency is required. You need to apply all these three to be good in something. You can't be good in something just for practicing it for one day or 2 days or for some months. You need to be practicing it daily. So be patient and keep learning. A short intro about myself. So I'm an English trainer and I do take one-to-one class. Also, I do have a FBA spoken group in which on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I take a group call for free. You can join that group and get all the details.